Well, a couple in Hermon has a new cleaning business they say will help protect against the spread of COVID-19. Pete Philbrick and his wife Betsy recently brought the Germinator franchise to Maine. They say the cleaning products they use are part of a safe, non-toxic sanitizing and disinfecting process. The company specializes in taking care of places like schools, universities, daycares, and medical offices. The first step is to come in and disinfect an area using electrostatic sprayers, which they say work against COVID-19. And antimicrobial coating is then sprayed to protect surfaces for up to 90 days from bacteria, mold, and mildew.
We'll come in before treatment and after treatment, and we'll swab multiple surfaces in the structure to see how much live organic matter is on the surface. And that's really a way to validate and prove that what we're using is working effectively.
They also clean homes and other residential properties. To learn more, you can visit GerminatorBangor.com.